You ready to go outside? Are you ready to go outside? Okay, guys, so we're gonna head out and get this done so I could get off this street. Hey, Mama. Hi. Hi, sweet girl. Okay. Hey guys, in the elevator. It's really pouring outside. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay, I'm in the building. Hey, we're here. 82% between 2016 and 2019. It declined during the same period in graduate level programs. We're here, Mama. US universities, further reducing. Okay, guys, so we're at the appointment and she's finally smiling a little bit. We're not staying long. We're gonna go home soon, okay? Okay, Mommy? Okay, now I'm just waiting. I've signed in already and everything, so just waiting right now to be called in. So yeah, so I'm waiting on the doctor right now. Hi, Mama. Hey, you. What are you doing? Yes, my love. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're so cute. Hi, my love. Okay, let's wait on the doctor, okay? Don't cover your face with the thing. Here, play with it from here. Yeah, Mommy.
Why they didn't send you for MRI here?
I don't know. I haven't done an MRI in a while.
No, you did the MRI here, right?
Yeah. I think that was last MRI I probably had was maybe early 2021 or late 2020. I haven't done an MRI in a while. Last one I done was for the neurologist, which was 2021 in July, I think. But I haven't done anything on my spine in a while. Yeah.
And what's gonna be done for the knee? Anything orthopedic say?
Yeah, I had spoken to Dr. Steele and I got a notice that it was approved for me to actually get another round of the Arthrovis injection. So I have to check with Tyler in the front to see when I could see her to start that. Yeah. Yeah, Mommy. Yeah. Yeah. Such a good girl. You're such a good girl. See how good you're doing?
And what do you take for pain?
Currently taking naproxen. And Tylenol sometime as needed.
Since the injury, you didn't go back to work, yeah?
No. That was the issue all along.
Do you want the queen?
Yeah. Oh, they stopped doing the acupuncture? Or it's because I had the surgery?
I don't know. He didn't say it to you.
Yeah,
I think he did,
yeah.
right?
I think he said, it was cancelled. So
It was canceled. Okay.
yeah. So
I
I'm
think-
not sure what that means. If it's for today or it's
Let me call.
okay. Yeah.
Igor. Igor. She's not in there. Just a clarification. Is it
Yeah. Hi. Just a quick question. I know you said it was cancelled, but is it like I'm done with acupuncture?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Because it's been now
Yeah.
we cancel everybody after 6 months, so it
Oh,
would be
okay.
much more than 6
Yeah.
months.
True. Okay. Thank you.
How's your ankle now? Is it coming down?
It's not great, but as far as the instability, it's much better. But I can't flex it.
You still can't
No.
take it up?
Mm-mm.
Then walking, how about up,
Up,
going
up,
down?
like
downstairs?
pointing my toes up is much easier, but down, no.
No?
Mm-mm.
So stairs, are you able to do it?
Still issue.
Stairs an issue,
Yeah.
right?
A lot.
A lot.
Yeah. I'm struggling a lot, especially with
Even
the
walking
leg
too,
bone.
right?
Yeah, a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm home with her 99% alone.
Yeah.
So I do everything today. Like, since I have her stroller, I don't need a cane.
Yeah.
So I do.
Also, otherwise you would have a cane
Yeah.
then.
Mm-hmm. But that's basically my balance.
Balance.
Yeah. But the instability is not as bad as it was before the surgery.
Okay. Step off.
Okay. We're done?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Alrighty. I'll just I'll just do this like this.
Yeah.
You could cover it.
Comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you can turn.
Yeah, once I do this, I'm good. Thank you.
Hi, darling. I'm coming out. Okay, my friends. Let's get out of here. That's Jose's cleaning the bathroom. You hear all this stuff, you don't know what the hell's going on. You want to act like you know what's going on. Hi, pumpkin puss. You going bye-bye?
Yeah.
Are we going bye-bye? You're over there playing with our lips.
Yeah.
You got your new red. It ain't red enough, but it's all right.
Yeah.
She's good now. She
Yeah.
wanted to be with mommy.
Yeah.
Of course, no. She wanted to get out of this hot thing and her little snow pink suit, and she wanted to be free. I know children. I know children. Children don't like to be straight. I heard my son outside. Stop hiring us. You always wait Hey, Bugsy. We're leaving. Hey, guys. So I'm finished with my appointments and my physical therapy. And we're heading to the elevator right now so I could request my cab when I'm in the lobby upstairs. Yeah. You guys. Okay, elevator's here. Let's get in, Mama. She's upset. She's ready to go home. I'm ready too, Mommy. I'm sorry. Bugsy, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my love. I'm sorry, my love. Ooh. Okay. So now I gotta stay in the lobby area before I request my cab. Oh. Alright guys, so I'm gonna bundle her up a little bit more, cover her hands before I head outside. Ooh, raining. Bless you, Mommy. Yeah, it's raining a lot, so I'm gonna bundle her up and get out of here. So you guys, I'm back home. Everything went well at the doctor's office. Did my visit and did physical therapy. So thank you again for watching my video, guys. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, guys. Turn the post notification on so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye. You want to say goodbye? Do you want to say goodbye? You want to say something? Say thank you for watching my mommy video. Okay, that's good enough.